Weltanschauung is a noun that refers to a particular philosophy or worldview encompassing the fundamental perspectives and beliefs that shape how an individual or group interprets the world and life. Origins. The term comes from German, where Welt means world and Anschauung means view or perception. It entered the English language in the mid-19th century, often used in academic or philosophical discussions. Explanation and usage. Weltanschauung encapsulates an overarching framework of ideas and attitudes, often shaped by culture, religion, or personal experience. It's used to describe how people or societies make sense of existence and their place in it. Example sentences. Her Weltanschauung was deeply influenced by her upbringing in a multicultural city, where the philosopher sought to redefine the modern Weltanschauung to address ethical challenges, just in its cultural significance. The term is frequently used in discussions about culture, philosophy, and sociology to explore how diverse worldviews influence behavior, decision-making, and societal norms. It highlights the differences and commonalities in human perspectives across the globe. Synonyms. Worldview, a comprehensive perspective on life and existence. Philosophy, a system of beliefs or principles. Ideology, a set of ideas or ideals that shape a person's goals and actions. Antonyms. Narrow-mindedness, a limited or restricted perspective. Ignorance, lack of awareness or understanding. Key takeaway. Weltanschauung refers to the lens through which individuals or groups perceive and interpret the world. It underscores the importance of cultural, personal, and philosophical influences in shaping our understanding of life. Subscribe.